Welcome to my newest listing in Dana Point. This is a fantastic 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo that really feels almost like a single family home because it's only attached at the stairs in the bathroom. You've got beautiful views of the mountains, a nice open concept, and upgrades throughout. Let's see some more. The dining room is open to both the living room and the kitchen. It's got floor-to-ceiling windows and views of beautiful trees right outside. This home features 2 master suites, but this one is my favorite because it has big high windows letting in lots of light, and you can see the Saddleback Mountains from laying in your bed. This fun feature of this tall barn door graces the entry to this master bath. This bathroom has a brand new gorgeous vanity with marble top and a beautifully tiled shower. Something extra special about this condo and this complex is the oversized outdoor deck. You can use it for dining, relaxing, entertaining friends or family, and enjoying the outdoors. You have a lot of privacy with trees and no neighbors right on either side of you. Dana Point, with its world-class restaurants, hotels, beaches, is so close, with the beach just being half a mile away. You can walk or bike to the beach and enjoy all that Dana Point has to offer. Check out this listing, and if you'd like a private tour, contact me today.